This is my first go with a GoPro high definition camera. I've mounted it on an electric wheelchair outside my house, Peppermint Grove, Perth. So I cruise around to the front, then head out to the front gate. Wonder whether it's about a 20mm. It also makes it quite stable, and the resolution is fantastic. Comes with about 8 mounting devices, so I use the Velcro one on the wheelchair. Those small trees we're passing are called peppermint trees, characteristic of this suburb. I've got an 8GB card in it, so it records for an hour or two, and the battery lasts for a couple of hours, rechargeable lithium. Well, we're on the way back, and I'm quite pleased with the camera. Seems to do a really great job. You can also set it to a fisheye view, which is even wider. Thanks for joining me on this tour with the GoPro.